Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If we haven't met before, my name is Poke and I've spent a good deal of time exploring the exciting world of game development with Unreal Engine. Throughout my journey I've picked up quite a few tricks and techniques that have significantly improved my projects, and I'm excited to have the opportunity to share these insights with you. Today we're kicking things off with a detailed tutorial on setting up a true first-person viewpoint in Unreal Engine. Whether you're building an immersive RPG, a fast-paced shooter, or just want to see the world through the eyes of your character, this guide will get you up and running with a true first-person perspective, enhancing how players interact with your game. So, grab your notes, fire up Unreal Engine, and let's dive into creating something great together. To begin, you'll need to start with the base third-person game template in Unreal Engine. We'll be working with blueprints and won't use any starter content. I'll name the project True First Person. Now, let's open up the blueprint third person character. You will find it in the content, third person, blueprints. Once we have that open, switch over to the Viewport tab. Next, we'll take the third-person camera that's currently on the boom and move it into the character's head. This will give us the true first-person view we are aiming for. We won't be needing the camera boom for this setup, as we're going to attach the camera directly to the character's head bone. First, attach the follow camera to the mesh. Under the sockets option, set the parent socket to head. Next, let's adjust the camera's position, reset the rotation and location, then rotate the camera 90 degrees on the yaw axis. It's also slightly tilted, so we'll need to rotate it negative 90 degrees on the roll axis. Feel free to tweak the camera's position to get the perfect view. I will move it a bit forward and up by adjusting the coordinates to 8 and 12. This way it's about the height of the eyes and won't be inside of the head. To enable free movement of the camera, we need to make some adjustments. Since the camera was previously linked to the boom arm, we'll need to fix this. Still in the follow camera, we need to allow pawn rotation, so set use pawn control rotation to true. Now you will have to navigate to the third person character component and scroll all the way down to find character movement rotation settings. Here we have two settings that we need to change. First, toggle use control desired rotation to true and orientate rotation to movement to false. Now, save and compile the blueprint third person character. With that done, there's no need for further adjustments, so let's close it. Finally, let's test our setup by running the game. And there you have it. You successfully created a true first-person character. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Keep in mind, this is just the basic setup. I will be releasing more tutorials to enhance your true first-person experience, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated and take your projects to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy developing!